Good day. My name is Chia Tayu, metric number 262998. The topic that we have chosen is topic 7, which is product development and management. So we choose this topic because product development is the most important criteria to meet the customer satisfaction. Okay, so three things that I've learned from the topic is that every product has a life cycle in the market because the sales of the product will be changed from a stage to another stage. So if the product wants to survive in the market, the producer must have a good prediction and arrangement before the product enters into the market. And secondly, continuous improvement is very important in terms of the company's sustainability. So this is because there will be many substitutions in the market. So the company must always improve their product from time to time based on the market needs by adding more features, changing in the marketing strategies in order to attract the customers in the market. And lastly, the company must have a well-organized planning before launching a product. So the company must know their objectives, what is the target that the product need to achieve, and what is the plan when the product is facing a decline of sales in the market. So the company must have a good risk management so that only they can solve the problem on time. Two questions that I still have about the topic is continuous product improvement. Is it necessary for those companies that monopolize the market? And secondly is how to identify the product in which stage of product life cycle accurately. Is there any criteria to define it? One thing that I've learned from the reflection of my partner is there are a lot of uncertainties in the marketplace as the market is always changing from time to time, where the company must always review their marketing strategies according to the market condition.
Good day, my name is Huang Shuyan, metric number 258417. The three things I learned from this topic are that the market is always changing, and when a company wants to launch a new product, it should do a good market research to understand the customer preference and needs instead of launch something new product blindly, which can lead to losses for the company. And the second is a company launch a new product as a pioneer may have a greater share of the market, but with it come greater risks. That's because, according to the diffusion of innovation, the number of people who buy a product in the innovator's period is very small, which means that only a very small number of customers willing to try something new. And the last is every product is sold with a product life cycle, and this is a very important reference when a company is developing its product marketing strategy. And the very period of the product life cycle often reflects market and can have an impact on marketing strategy. Two more questions on this topic. First is if a product sits in material period for a very long time, does this mean that the company does not need to launch a new marketing strategy? And next is if a new product is a necessity for life, such as shampoo, does it mean that the product development process can be reduced? And one thing I learned from my partner's feedback is that companies need to have appropriate risk management measure during the launch of a new product as well as a good organizational plan.